Welcome to the step-by-step tutorial on how to apply a twist flip transition to your videos in CapCut PC. To start, drag and drop the two videos you want to apply the transition between onto the timeline. Next, navigate to the Transition tab. Click to expand the categories under Transitions on the right side. Scroll down and select the Distortion category. Locate the twist flip transition. Please note that this is a pro feature. If you're using it for the first time, click on Download. Drag and drop the twist flip transition between the two clips on the timeline. If a Create Duplicate Frames for Transition pop-up appears, simply click OK. You'll see a gray box representing the transition between the two clips. Play the preview to see the effect. Adjust the duration of the transition by dragging the edges of the gray box as needed. If you have multiple videos that need the same transition, drag them onto the timeline together. Click the transition and then click on Apply to All on the right side. And that's it. We hope this video tutorial was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.